Alright everybody, this is a little bit different video from what I normally do. I got a Rayco 1625 Super Junior stump grinder. As you can see, it just got the single wheels on it. And Rayco offers a dual wheel, but I'm too cheap to go and pay for that. So what I've done is I've ordered 2 new wheels from Miller Tire Company. I'll put a link in the description where I ordered these wheels from. About 100 and actually I ordered it off of eBay through Miller, and it's going to be $123 for both tires with the wheels mounted. And they're mounted on a 5.7 by 8 rim with 4 holes. And what I'm planning on doing is mounting it on here. And as you can see, it's kind of a tricky situation to do that. What I've got so far is I found an old wheel. I think that tire right there was on it. I think it was a old lawnmower, maybe a small trailer or something or other. And this is like what the rim looked like whenever I took the wheel off. But what I've done is I've cut so that I left that part, the center part, on there. And that's what I had left over after I cut it off. And then I found another old rim. It was actually a pretty good rim, but I cut the center section out of it to mount on this piece here, because I needed the 8-inch rim, and that in there was 12. So I'm just going to take this, put that on there, and weld it on there. You know, it's going to be a little bit shorter than that one, just by whatever thickness this is right here. But that ain't going to make much difference. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to mount this onto the new tire, the new wheel. Let's say this right here is that mount. The new wheel is going to go on just like this. I'll line up the holes, and then 2 of the bolts, or 2 of the holes, I'll put bolts and nuts to attach this to the new rim and tire. And then the other 2 holes, what I'm planning on doing, take this over here with me, demonstration purposes. You see this wing here? It's got 2 holes in the sides. What I'm going to do with that is I'm going to take a bolt, it may just be all thread, make a J-bolt out of it to come through. This is going to fit in there just like that. It's going to be a pretty long bolt, go all the way through and out the wheel, and put a nut on there, on both of those. Now right here, this little notch here, little wing, I'm going to cut a notch in the edge of the rim there for that wing to fit in. That way I won't have any side to side movement from the rim, and it'll be able to turn good, because that's just the same size. It's going to fit just about like that. But with that notch cut out in there, it'll fit all the way flush. Anyway, that's my plan, and I'm going to stick to it. I think it'll work. So that's all I've got going right now. Right now I'm going to stop and I'm going to weld up this Get that ready to go. I'm waiting on my wheels and tires. They're supposed to be here in about a week. So I'll give you an update. Let you know how it's going on. Bye for now.